This is ECOC TV with Elwyn, Shelley of Viavi. Elwyn, tell us about some of the new products you're showing this week.
Sure, yes. So this week we've got on show our 400 gig tester for lab and production. We've also got our 25 gig tester for lab and production. And we've got some other innovations on the fibre optic side, again, for our lab and production markets.
Now, I know there's been a lot of interest, particularly in the 25 gig product. Tell us a bit more about that.
Yes, so there's been a migration in the data center, rather there will be a migration in the data center from 10 gig within the rack to 25 gig, and of course that's being driven by the massive explosion in demand for data, for streaming, for archiving. And so as the data centers are trying to upgrade for the next speed increase, they will need to have support for those 25 gig interfaces, and today we've got the latest innovation, which is the 25 gig interface on our ONT platform that will allow them to test the next generation optics for that.
Yeah, because I mean we're all excited by streaming and video and everything we can do in the home, but very often the components that make that possible are forgotten, aren't they?
Absolutely, yeah. This is well hidden deep into the network, and yeah, you at home would never know what's necessary to make that all happen.
Talking about never knowing, you're here in your new capacity, but of course you come here with a tremendous pedigree. Just tell us about the history of Viavi for viewers who may not realise.
Well, absolutely. So since 2006 we've been JDSU. We've been through a lot of change in those years, but finally as a portfolio company with one side focusing on optics and the other side on test and measurement, it seems like the right thing to do to split into two companies so that we can focus on delivering more value to our customers and to our shareholders, and to keep our messages much clearer and easier to understand.
You certainly seem to be busy, as I mentioned. How's ECOC been so far?
Very good. It's the first day, so it could get busier. We've had a great start to the show, and many people that we know already, and some new people as well. So yeah, it's good to be here.
Okay, well this is our third attempt to speak to you, so I know you've been really busy, but thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Thanks a lot.